We're gonna do a filet or beef tenderloin. So beef tenderloin has this side muscle that will peel back. And on this, we're gonna get some trim off of it, but we'll keep all of the extra tendon pieces just put in the garbage. That will go into trim. Go to trim, we'll discard this. So a couple ways to do these tenderloins. We can leave it whole. We'll peel just under this silver skin. So I'm going to get under that silver skin started. So I'm going to cut, and I'm turning my knife up against the silver skin to create that tension. That way I can peel it without cutting into the meat. And then all of that is just discard, cutting that silver skin off. From here now I can just cut into steaks. That tail piece is a little short, so we'll use this for kebabs. Oh, actually I need one more. We do ours in 2 packs, so we'll leave that. We'll use that for kebabs. And then here are all of our steak pieces. So here's another way to do that beef tenderloin. So I'm going to start it the same way, removing the side muscle. And I can get those will save for grind, discard these tendon pieces. Discard. So now I'm going to look for this seam right here. So I'm going to separate this head piece from the rest of it. So I'll trim right here, looking for this seam. You can peel this back, which will pull this whole piece off. I'll keep that for kebabs, that for trim. So now that I've got this head piece, and then this main piece I can remove this tendon. Keeping that pressure just right up against front of that. trim my end, that'll be for kebabs. And that end will be for kebabs. Now I can cut my steaks out of here. Cut 2 bigger ones. And then out of this piece, I can also cut 4 tenders. Put them in that way. If we're gonna do bacon wrap, these are good for bacon wrap ones. They have a little bit of a tail on them, they're a little bit longer. You can see the difference in those 2 rows, just how those line up.